All right, all right, all right. Welcome to my kitchen, where we are about to go on a 4-minute journey to burger nirvana. You heard me right, 4 minutes. Forget waiting around, forget complicated recipes. Tonight we're talking about a cheeseburger that's so fast, so easy, and so packed with dynamite flavor. It's going to blow your mind. Look at this masterpiece right here. This isn't some drive-through disappointment. This is a handcrafted, primo-quality burger. You are the master chef. Juicy, perfectly seared patty, gloriously melted cheese, toasted bun that's ready to party. This is the real deal, your weeknight champion. A killer burger in 4 minutes? That's bananas. First things first, let's talk ingredients. We're keeping it simple, but we're keeping it real. For one righteous burger, you're going to want about 1/3 of a pound, 150 to 180 grams. No time for super lean stuff. You want fat. 80-20 blend, money. Then a slice of cheese, American for that bomb melt, or a good cheddar, dynamite. Grab a soft burger bun, salt and pepper. You're golden. Now the supporting cast. Fresh, crisp lettuce, a juicy slice of tomato, a few thin rings of onion if that's your jam. Don't forget sauces, ketchup, mustard, a smear of mayo. You do you. Have everything prepped before you cook. This is a 4-minute mission. Station set. Buns open. Cheese unwrapped. Veggies sliced. Take cold ground beef. Keep it cold until it hits the pan. Don't overwork it. Gently form into a ball. Press flat, about 1-2 inch. Make it a bit wider than the bun. Pro move. Press a dimple in the center. Flat, even surface for max crust and perfect cheese melt. All right, it's go time. Crank that pan up to medium-high heat. You want it hot, seriously hot. When a drop of water dances and vanishes, you're ready. Now lay that beautifully seasoned patty on the hot surface. Listen to that sizzle. Here's the most important part. Don't touch it. Let it go for 2 minutes flat. We're building a deep, brown, magnificent crust. No pressing, no poking, no fidgeting. 2 minutes are up. Grab a sturdy spatula and give it one confident flip. Look at that crust. That's what I'm talking about. Now the other side gets its turn. 1.5 minutes. We're not serving this masterpiece on a cold, sad piece of bread. Butter the cut sides and toast them right in the pan to get beefy. Golden goodness. About 30 seconds. Keep your eyes on it. With 30 seconds left, crown it with cheese and cover. Watch that cheese waterfall. Ding, ding, ding. Time's up. Patty cooked. Cheese melted. Bun toasted. Move everything to your board. It's showtime. Lettuce down to keep it crisp. Cheesy patty on. Tomato. Onion. A squirt of your favorite sauce. Crown it. And there you have it. In just 4 minutes, you went from zero to hero. This isn't just fast food. This is good food. Fast. Perfectly seared patty. Juicy, pinkish center. Cheese in every nook. Toasted bun. Fresh, cool crunch. Give it a gentle press. Beautiful thing. Pick it up with both hands. Don't be shy. This is your trophy. Lean in. Take that big, righteous bite. Bun, sauce, crunchy lettuce, juicy tomato, savory beef, creamy melted cheese. That's the money bite right there. Homemade cheeseburger. Comfort and joy. Customize it. Add bacon, sautéed mushrooms, try a different cheese. 4-minute framework. Infinite possibilities. Win dinner, turn Tuesday into Flavor Town. Challenge. Get in the kitchen tonight. Follow the steps. Unleash your inner burger rock star. You've got the skills. 4 minutes to pride. Fire up the stove and get cooking. Enjoy every delicious off-the-hook bite. Until next time, keep it real, keep it flavorful. Peace out.